Google just released 10 free courses to master generative AI. Introduction to Generative AI. This is an introductory-level microlearning course aimed at explaining what generative AI is, how it is used, and how it differs from traditional machine learning methods. Introduction to Large Language Models. This is an introductory-level microlearning course that explores what large language models, LLM, are, the use cases where they can be utilized, and how you can use prompt tuning to enhance LLM performance. Introduction to Responsible AI. This is an introductory-level microlearning course aimed at explaining what responsible AI is, why it's important, and how Google implements responsible AI in its products. It also introduces Google's 7 AI principles. Generative AI Fundamentals. Earn a skill badge by completing the Introduction to Generative AI, Introduction to LLM, and Introduction to Responsible AI courses. Introduction to Image Generation. This course introduces diffusion models, a family of machine learning models that recently showed promise in the image generation space. Diffusion models draw inspiration from physics, specifically thermodynamics. Encoder-decoder architecture. Learn about the main components of the encoder-decoder architecture and how to train and serve these models. Attention mechanism. You will learn how attention works, and how it can be used to improve the performance of a variety of machine learning tasks, including machine translation, text summarization, and question answering. Transformer models and BERT model. You learn about the main components of the transformer architecture, such as the self-attention mechanism, and how it is used to build the BERT model. Create image captioning models. This course teaches you how to create an image captioning model by using deep learning. You learn about the different components of an image captioning model, and how to train and evaluate your model. Introduction to Generative AI Studio. In this course, you learn what Generative AI Studio is, its features and options, and how to use it by walking through demos of the product. In the end, you will have a quiz to test your knowledge.